The power of the perfect right angle. How orthogonality shapes our world. At the heart of how we map the physical world lies a simple but profound geometric rule: orthogonality. This principle ensures that the fundamental directions we use to describe a position, whether we are looking at a robotic arm or an atom, are always at perfect 90-degree angles to one another. By verifying that these directions never lean into each other, we unlock a level of mathematical simplicity that makes modern technology and physics possible. The precision of the robotic arm. In the world of industrial robotics, machines often operate using cylindrical or spherical movements rather than the straight lines of a standard grid. When a robot arm extends, tilts, or rotates its base, it relies on an internal compass of 3 independent directions. Because these directions are orthogonal, they are mathematically decoupled. This leads to 2 critical advantages. Operational predictability. If a robot is commanded to simply extend its arm further out, the perpendicular nature of its coordinate system ensures it does not accidentally tilt or rotate the base at the same time. Computational speed. The calculations required to translate a desired movement into motor commands become incredibly efficient. This speed allows a computer to adjust the robot's path in real time, which is essential for precision tasks like welding or assembly. A visual demonstration of this can be seen in robot kinematics animations. As a simulated robot carves out a complex 3D path, a set of red, green, and blue arrows at the tip of the arm represents its possible directions of movement. No matter how much the arm twists or turns, these 3 arrows remain locked in a strict 90-degree relationship, showing how the robot maintains its orientation throughout its workspace. The architecture of the atom. The same geometric rules apply to the microscopic world of quantum mechanics, specifically when studying the hydrogen atom. Scientists use a spherical coordinate system to track where an electron is likely to be found around the nucleus. Because the 3 directions of the spherical system are orthogonal, a complex problem can be broken down into simpler, independent parts, a process known as mathematical decoupling. This allows researchers to solve for the electron's behavior in 2 distinct ways. 1. Radial shells, determining how far the electron is from the center. 2. Angular lobes, determining the geometric shape of the electron cloud. In interactive simulations of these orbitals, you can see this geometry in action. When you change the energy levels, you might see the shells grow larger or the lobes change their shape, but they never get tangled together. This lack of crosstalk between different directions is a direct result of those 90-degree angles verified in the math. Without this property, it would be virtually impossible to solve the equations that define modern chemistry. Summary of benefits. Whether in a factory or a physics lab, the unmixing of physical dimensions through orthogonality provides efficiency and predictability. By ensuring our coordinate systems are perfectly square, we can solve complex real-world problems as a series of simple, independent steps.